So good afternoon. So we're here today installing a flow monitoring system. So to walk you through the system that we've installed. So Max, if you come with me. So you can see down there, so if you just ignore the blue cable for the moment, but right down there in the center we have a Starflow and ultrasonic sensor that is monitoring the water pressure, the velocity and the temperature. And we've got the cable buried into the bank, buried under the ground, up until the telemetry system, which is here. So follow the cable under the ground. So this area here, we've got a lot of cows, a lot of wildlife, so we need to protect the system as best as we can. So we've got a structure here. Within the structure we've got the main data hub that is firing up the sensor, recording every 15 minutes and uploading to our server once an hour. Once it's on the server, we've got a formula which will then calculate the flow of water going down the river. Independent system on power, one solar panel pointing south, which will keep the unit topped up to operate to full efficiency. Thank you very much.